Behind me you can see the site, now cleared of buildings, where a brand new manufacturing plant for alternative fuel pellets will be put up. There will be 3 pelleting lines, and each line will be producing a pellet made from SRF, otherwise known as solid recovered fuel. This is important because it's made from recyclables, things that you are very used to, the cardboard, paper, plastic. This is the kind of waste that's very easy to recover in any other way, so this is a great use for it. SRF is a high quality, important alternative to the fuel currently used in the cement and steel manufacturing industries, brickworks and power stations. Typically they use petcoke and coal. These are dirty fossil fuels, and we want to replace them with cleaner SRF. Alternative fuels help these industries and their host countries to meet their greenhouse gas reduction targets, especially the energy-intensive cement and steel manufacturers. They also offer the potential to reduce the cost of energy by up to 50%. The Middlesbrough site is extremely well located. It's producing 240,000 tonnes per annum. So as a result, for the carbon footprint, we don't want to have to travel very far at all in order to export the goods. It's ideal that the wharf is adjacent to the site, right here. And this is where ships can leave from. We also have the opportunity to use the rail network. There's a railhead just across the road here. And in addition, trucks can transport the pellets around the UK. Gresham House, as a specialist equity investor, is providing the investment through its BSIF, the British Strategic Investment Fund, to fund this proposed pelleting plant.
One of the core strategies of the fund is that we're making local investments and that everything has to have a positive environmental or social impact or positive impact on the people and the communities in which we're building. This project will do all of those things. We'll be creating jobs, we'll be diverting waste from landfill and other inefficient uses, we'll be creating a fuel that removes fossil fuels from cement industries. So it has a really positive environmental and social impact, which is important for our local authority pension funds, whilst ensuring that we're making good returns for them and their members.
Well, having worked in Teesside for 20 years, I've seen jobs come and go in the region. It's been particularly tough for the industry in the local area, especially in recent years. It's just exciting to be involved in a project that's backed by a London investor, and that's actually going to bring jobs and security to people in the local area.
We're going to be operating the site, so we'll be starting to get ourselves more familiar with it over the next couple of months, but we'll be based on site from sort of February next year. And the great news for us is we'll be creating 20 permanent jobs on this site for the future, so we're investing in the local area. Our teams will be working in the local area to try and ensure that we find local people for those roles, and there'll be a mixture of roles from management all the way through to operatives and plant drivers on the site. So it's it's great for the local area and great for us and the relationship with waste not going forward, really.
This kind of alternative fuel is extremely important for manufacturing companies and their host countries to reduce greenhouse gas emissions around the world. The UK are leaders in climate change protection, and this kind of innovation is critical to making a real difference to climate change.